Abundance and occurrence of S-block element. The S-block element belongs to group 1 and group 2 of periodic table. Group 1 is called alkali metal and group 2 is called alkaline earth metals. The alkali and alkaline earth metal are the most violently active of all the elements. These are readily oxidized and therefore not found in free state. These are found in combined form with halides, sulfates, carbonate and silicates ions. The calcium is the fifth most abundant element in the earth crust and hence it is third most abundant metal after aluminium and iron. Similarly, magnesium is the sixth and sodium is the seventh most abundant element in the earth crust, and these are fourth and fifth most abundant metal after aluminium, iron and calcium. Potassium is at 8th position and it is next most abundant element after sodium. The francium and radium are radioactive and have rare terrestrial abundance. So in case of group 1 alkali metal, sodium that is the most abundant and francium that is the least. Similarly in group 2 alkaline earth metal, calcium that is the most abundant and radium that is the least. Electronic configuration of alkali metal. All the alkali metal have one electron in their outermost s orbital. The general electronic configuration of these are ns1. So they are having one electron in their outermost shells. Physical property, atomic and ionic size. Alkali metal have the largest atomic and ionic radii in their respective period. On moving down the group, the atomic and ionic radii increase, and it is due to the fact that as we move down, although the nuclear charges they are increases, but the same time the addition of a new principal shell that is take place in the atoms. So ultimately as we move down, the size of the atom and ion it will increases. The atomic radii and ionic radii it will tend to decrease when we can move left to right in the periodic table, and it is due to the increase in the effective nuclear charges. Therefore, the alkali metals have the largest atomic and ionic radii in their respective periods. Ionization enthalpy. Alkali metal have the lowest ionization enthalpy in each period. The ionization enthalpy of alkali metal decreases as we move down in the group. The atoms of alkali metal are largest in their respective period, and therefore the valence electrons are loosely held by nucleus, so they can easily lose these valence electrons, so that acquire the noble gas configuration. For the ionization of alkali metal, they can proceed by this reaction. They will get converted into metal with one positive and lose one electron and acquire the noble gas configuration. On moving down the group in a periodic table, the atomic size that is increases, so that the magnitude of screening effect is also increases. Consequently, the ionization energy of alkali metal that will decrease as we move from top to the bottom in the periodic tables. The second ionization enthalpy of alkali metal are very high, and it is due to the factor that when an electron is removed from alkali metal, they form monovalent ions, and these monovalent cations, which have very stable electronic configuration, and therefore it becomes very difficult to remove the second electron from the stable noble gas configuration. So let us consider the case of the sodium. Sodium can lose one electron and change into sodium plus. The removal of one electron that can require over 196 kilojoules per mole. So it is the first ionization energy. Now the removal of second electron from sodium plus, so that it can change into sodium 2 plus. The amount of energy required, that is 4553 kilojoules per mole. So the removal of second electron that can take place from the noble gas configured sodium plus ion. So it is very high. So in this case, the second ionization energy, that should be very high. Melting and boiling point. All these alkali metals are soft and have low melting and boiling point. The alkali metal have only one electron in their valence shells, and due to this, the energy of binding of these atoms in the crystal lattice of the metal is very low. Thus the metallic bond in these metals are not very strong, and consequently their melting and boiling point decrease as we move from top to the bottom in the group. So this graph is showing the melting and boiling point. The boiling point, they will decrease as we move from top to the bottom in the periodic table. Next is the density. The density of alkali metal are quite low as compared to other metals. Lithium, sodium and potassium are even lighter than water. The density of alkali metal increases as we move down in the periodic table. However, it has been seen that the potassium is lighter than sodium, and probably it is due to the larger increase in atomic size of potassium as compared to increase in atomic mass. The density of metallic element depend upon the type of packing of atom in metallic state and also on their size. The alkali metal have close packing of metal atom in their lattice, and therefore of the large size of their atom, they have low densities. As we move down the group from lithium to cesium, there is an increase in atomic size as well as atomic mass. What the increase in atomic mass is more than compensated the increase in atomic size. As a result, densities of alkali metal gradually increase from lithium to cesiums. Electropositive or metallic character. All the alkali metal are metallic in character. They are quite soft and can easily be cut with knife. Metallic character prefer to the level of reactivity of a metal. Metal tend to lose electron in chemical reaction as indicated by their low ionization energy. Within a compound, metal atom have relatively low attraction for electron as indicated by their low electron activity. Metallic character increase as we move down the group. So that the alkali metals have strong electropositive or metallic character among the different elements in their groups. Since the ionization enthalpy decreases as we move from top to the bottom, so that the electron leaching tendency or electropositive character is expected to increase as we move from top to downs. Oxidation state, all the alkali metal exhibit +1 oxidation state in their compound. The alkali metal have only one electron in their valence shells, ns1, and therefore they can lose the single electron and acquire the noble gas configuration. Thus they form monovalent ions such as lithium plus, sodium plus, potassium plus, rubidium plus and cesium plus. The second ionization enthalpy of alkali metal is very high, and due to which they cannot form divalent ions. The alkali metals are univalent and form ionic compound. Characteristics: flame coloration. All the alkali metal and their salt impart characteristic flame colorations. The alkali metal have very low ionization enthalpy. The energy from flame of Bunsen burner is sufficient to excite the electron from lower energy level to higher energy levels. The excited state is quite unstable, and therefore when these excited electrons they come back to their original energy level, then they can emit extra energy in the form of light, and which fall in the visible region of electromagnetic spectrum and thus appeared color in nature. So this picture, it will showing the electron in the ground state, and as they are subjected to Bunsen burner flame, the electron they will excited from ground state to higher state, and higher state that is highly unstable, and after some time they will return from the excited state to the ground state and emit light in the visible regions. The different color of alkali metal can be explained on the basis of amount of energy absorbed for the excitation of valence electron. In case of lithium, it can impart crimson red color to Bunsen burner flame. Sodium impart golden yellow, potassium pale violet, rubidium red violet and cesium bluish. Photoelectric effect. The alkali metal readily emit electron when radiation strikes on their surface. So when radiation that can strike on the surface of metals, then they can easily emit the electrons, which is loosely bonded. And this phenomena of ejection of electron from when electromagnetic radiation strike on the surface of metal, it is called photoelectric effect. And this is because of they are having low ionization enthalpy. Due to low ionization enthalpy, the electron of alkali metal can be easily ejected from their surface. Among the alkali metal, cesium has low ionization enthalpy, and hence they are mostly used in photoelectric cells. Cesium, it is sensitive to blue lights. Lattice energy. The alkali metal salt consists of cation and anions, which are held by strong electrostatic force of attraction. Therefore, the lattice energy of alkali metal salt are very high. The lattice energy is defined as the amount of energy required to break off 1 mole of crystal into its free ions. So this reaction, it will showing the 1 mole of crystal that is break into its ion in the gaseous state. So amount of energy that is required, which is called lattice energy. The lattice energy gives the measure of the force of attraction between the ions. Larger the force of attraction, greater will be the lattice energy. The lattice energy, it will depend upon the size of the ion and its charge. So let us compare the lattice energy of few ionic solids. First series, it is the series of the alkali metal with chloride ions. So maximum lattice energy, it belongs to the lithium chloride. And as we move from top to bottom, the lattice energy that will decreases, and it is due to the fact that the lithium that should having the smallest size, and when we can move from top to the bottom, there is increase in the size of the atoms, and due to increase in size of the atom, the force of attraction between them decreases. So ultimately the lattice energy that will also decreases. And similarly in this case we are having cation, that is the sodium, and only variation in the anion. So similar decrease in value also observed in this case when we can move in halogen series. The size of halogen that is going to increase. So in case of sodium fluoride, the attraction that is the maximum due to the small size of the fluoride, and it will having the maximum lattice energy, while the sodium iodide, the size of the iodide that is the maximum. So the force of attraction among the ionic solid of sodium iodide, that is the least. So it will having the smallest lattice energy. So these are the variation of various properties of S-block element when we can move left to right in the periodic table and from top to the bottom in the periodic table. Electron shells, valence electron, electron activity, ionization energy, electron affinity, metallic characters and non-metallic characters.